Fire. Wild, destructive, devastating. As our primal ancestors tamed this force, they learned to harness its valuable heat. Heat that brings comfort and convenience into our homes. But heat must be respected, because if not restrained, it can harm the very people for whom it has been tamed. And when heat turns to harm, the results can be devastating, taking years to heal, leaving permanent scars and often lifelong trauma. But there's one treatment that can minimize the damage, speed up healing, and effectively cool the burn. Burnshield sterile burn products. It can be used in all types of burns, including radiation, chemical, and electrical burns. With over 25 years of successful history behind it, Burnshield from Trade International is undoubtedly the most well-known product of its kind internationally today. Burnshield is endorsed by the medical profession and is widely used in the consumer, industrial, and medical fields.
Burnshield as a first-line intervention or treating a burn early is just as relevant for medical professionals. So the advanced life support paramedics that we see rushing around on the roads that are heading out to save a life or transport patients in ambulances, doctors in emergency units that are receiving injured patients, their first go-to substance for the initial management of a burn is going to be Burnshield. Because what we're doing is we're still applying a safe sterile dressing. We're utilizing a substance that is going to help draw heat out of the tissue. We're utilizing a substance that's not going to aggravate any risk or introduce a possibility for infection. We're using something that's chemically sound, and we're using a substance that's not going to interfere downstream with more sophisticated plastics or surgical management of the same injury.
At the heart of Burnshield's healing power is one of nature's secrets, an extract of tea tree oil. Significant research and trials have resulted in the healing properties of this essential oil being harnessed into a unique formula, used in the Burnshield Premium Emergency Burn Care range. Burnshield is a remarkably sterile hydrogel product that provides the essential physical protection urgently needed when someone is accidentally burnt. Suitable for flame, hot water or steam, chemical, radiation, and electrical burns. Base materials used for Burnshield are wool, foam, and cotton. The success of Burnshield's range is based on the quality and consistency of the gel produced. The properties of the gel ensure the effectiveness of the product. The dressing application can be followed in an easy 4-step process. 1. Open the sterile package. 2. Remove the dressing. 3. Apply dressing over the wound. And 4. Secure with a non-adherent bandage. If applied to a burn within 24 hours, Burnshield Premium Products effectively cools the burn and relieves pain. By absorbing and dissipating heat, it slows down the burn process and minimizes tissue damage. Because it's sterile, it keeps the wound clean, while its antibacterial properties reduce infection and speed up the healing process. Plus, Burnshield has a 5-year shelf life from the date of manufacture.
So the burn has occurred, safety first applies, but immediately after that, first strategy is removing heat from the tissue. This is not about applying an antiseptic. This is not a septic wound to start off. This is a hot injury, right? And we want to take the hot away. So the cooling strategies are good quality, sensible first aid.
The hydrogel is incorporated into Burnshield's comprehensive range of emergency care products, catering for domestic, industrial, military, and professional use. These products are suitable for a wide range of emergency situations, from accidents at home to severe trauma management. And while scientifically advanced and highly effective, they are relatively simple and easy to apply.
So it's a product that is able to facilitate safe and very effective initial burn management for anyone. You don't need a PhD in emergency medicine to use Burnshield. You just need to have it at hand. So someone who's in the workplace or at home, it doesn't really matter where you are, the whole concept of removing heat from the tissue quickly, effectively and safely is guaranteed to reduce the severity of that burn. And so having access to a first-line treatment like Burnshield, critical.
Burnshield's extensive range, consisting of dressings, hydrogels, trauma blankets and emergency burn kits, are all manufactured under sterile conditions in a world-class, sophisticated factory. Attention to detail and strict quality control measures give the consumer the assurance that these products all meet the highest international standards. When it comes to emergency burn care, from minor scalds to major burns, Burnshield is the obvious choice to cool the burn.